I'm at La Boqueria, the famous market in Barcelona. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. The market just opened, so it's still fairly empty. Let's go check it out quickly, and then I want to take you to two other markets here in Barcelona where more the locals shop. So come with me. Let's go. There it is. Behind me is Mercat del Ninot, or Ninot Market. Ninot means little child. The story was that when the market first opened, there was a park nearby with a statue of a little child. That statue was really beloved by the locals. When the park burned down along with that statue, the locals named this market after that statue. So inside this market, there's upstairs and downstairs. Upstairs are local markets, and downstairs is a supermarket. If you have never been to a supermarket in Spain, definitely worth your time and check it out. Otherwise, just stroll around upstairs. All right, let's go. I'm at Mercat de Sant Antoni. This beautiful market is about 10 minutes away from Plaza Catalunya by bus or metro. This market was originally built in the 1880s, I believe. The current incarnation is remodeled in 2000s, somewhere around there. Correct me in the comments if you know. The ornate facade is topped by the coat of arms of Barcelona, as you can see behind me. Unlike other markets in Spain, which are usually rectangular or square structures, this one is in an X shape. It is Sunday morning, the market is closed. However, there's a famous book market that's outside this building. In the book market, you'll not only find vintage books, you'll also see DVDs, CDs, posters, and all sorts of collectibles. It is a Sunday morning, as I mentioned. The market is closed, but don't worry, I'll take you inside. I already shot some footages from a previous trip. If you come here when the market is open, walking through the center corridor of the X structure, you'll find food stalls, well, mainly groceries like vegetables, meat, and whatnot. However, surrounding those food stalls, you'll find clothing shops, and very fashionable clothing shops. So fashionistas, come check it out. All right, let's go check out the book market, and later I'll take you inside